If you are looking for an AI tool that can turn photos into cartoons, anime characters, or digital artwork, Toonbee is one of the platforms you may come across. In this video, I'll cover its main features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is Toonbee? Toonbee is an AI-powered image transformation tool that converts regular photos into various artistic styles. Instead of manually editing images, users simply upload a photo and let the AI generate cartoon, anime, sketch, or painting style versions in seconds. The platform is designed for content creators, social media users, and anyone who wants creative profile pictures or stylized artwork without advanced design skills. Key features: AI cartoon generator converts photos into cartoon style images, multiple cartoon effects and art styles available, anime and artistic filters, create anime inspired portraits, generate digital painting and illustration effects, simple user interface, upload a photo, select a style and generate results, beginner friendly with minimal learning curve, fast processing. Most transformations are completed within seconds or minutes depending on image complexity. Online access works directly in a web browser without requiring software installation. Pros: easy to use for beginners, quick image generation, multiple artistic styles available, no professional editing skills required. Useful for social media avatars and creative content. Cons: image quality can vary depending on the uploaded photo. Some advanced features may require a paid plan. Limited control compared to professional image editing software. AI generated results may occasionally look unrealistic or inconsistent. Is Toonbee worth it? Toonbee is a good option for users who want fast and simple AI powered cartoon and anime image generation. It's especially useful for creating social media profile pictures, fun artwork, and creative content without spending hours editing images. However, if you need precise control over detail of an image, professional tools like Photoshop or advanced AI image editors may be a better choice. Final verdict: overall, Toonbee is an easy to use AI art generator that delivers quick and creative photo transformations. While it is not a replacement for professional design software, it is a convenient tool for anyone who wants to create cartoon style images with minimal effort. Rating 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and if this review helped you, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.